Imbibition. Imbibition is a process by which the hydrophilic substances or the molecules adsorb water, not absorption, adsorb water. For example, you place dry seeds in water. These dry seeds may be living or may be dead. You can fry the seeds and make them dead, soak them in water. Still they absorb water and they swell in size. All hydrophilic substances adsorb water. And that process is called imbibition. So, adsorption is only the attachment of molecules on the surface of the substance. It can be cell wall or it can be protoplasm, it can be a colloidal substance. Say colloids absorb 200 times more quantity, that is the surface attraction of the water molecules and the hydrophilic substance. Even if you dip your hand in water and take out, wipe off the water from your hand, but still some water molecules remain attached to your skin. Means that force with which the molecules attach firmly is adsorptive force. So, all hydrophilic substances that absorb water and the water molecules are adsorbed on the surface, it is called imbibition. It is your common observation that during rainy seasons, the wooden doors do not fit into the frame. Why? Because the wooden doors adsorb moisture from the air and expand, and their volume increases, so they do not fit into the frame. That is imbibition. The imbibition also exerts some pressure. We call it imbibitional pressure. It is denoted as psi T. That T is tau. In a living body, this imbibitional pressure is very negligible. But when we calculate the osmotic potential or the osmotic pressure or water potential, you recollect the formula psi, that is water potential, is equal to psi pi, that is osmotic potential, a negative value, plus psi p, the pressure potential, which is a positive value, plus this psi T. So, to measure water potential we use this formula, but often this psi T, imbibitional pressure, is neglected because it is ignored because the pressure exerted by it is negligible. But the imbibitional pressure is so great that it can break even boulders. if there are cracks in a rock boulder, fill those cracks with some hydrophilic substance or dry seeds and pour water. By imbibition, by adsorption, they expand, and the pressure created by that hydrophilic substance can break the rock. That is imbibition and imbibition pressure.